And I would read once again the prophecy from Aliar, a kingdom artist, a prophetess from the Middle East. Thus saith the Lord, the angel of judgment shall come upon you, Ferdinand Marcos Jr., Lisa Araneta Marcos, Martin Romualdez, Benhur Abalos, for you have oppressed and afflicted God's appointed, Apollo Quiboloy. For the one who touches him touches the apple of God's eye. As you have grieved the Son of God, you shall be plagued with a deadly disease, a crippling condition, a formidable disorder that even your nearest and dearest ones shall suffer terribly. It will be a dreadful curse, so devastating that existence itself becomes a burden. And thus it is written, of how much sore punishment suppose shall he be thought worthy, who hath trodden underfoot the Son of God, and hath counted the blood of the covenant, wherewith he was sanctified an holy thing, and hath done despite unto the Spirit of grace. That's in Hebrews 10:29. Apollo, vengeance is within the domain of divine justice. In due time, the disaster of your enemies shall come. Their doom shall be ultimate. Your adversary shall be no more. It will not tarry. It shall happen without delay. We just received this, no? Sa napangalan natin, where the angel of judgment will come. It has already been prophesied. Risa Hontiveros, kasama ka. At for the 38 years that His kingdom ministry has existed here, sinabi nga namin, ordained, this is ordained by God. This has come upon by the revelation. Wala pang ipinahayag, wala pang prophecy na hindi natupad. Lahat tinutupad. Kasi ang ministry ng ating mahal na pastor, meron siyang Solomonic ministry, Mosaic ministry, and prophetic ministry. And everything na sinasabi dito, it is prophesied, it will really come to pass.